Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, steering wheel audio controls, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.